Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, now I'm tell you to share about tutorial Super Cisco Packet Tracer with this topology. Okay, this topology Superlab in Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, in the topic in this Superlab, VLAN and trunking, just trunk, perfect, RSTP, VTP for security, Ether channel, L2TB, router on stick, SPI, DHCP server, DHCP relay, DHCP external address, and OSPF, multi-area, server, server, alas, DNS server, web server, mail server, NTP server, and access list. Okay. And now this is task or assignment, basic configuration, configure Ether channel, configure VLAN and trunking, configure port security. Okay. Okay. Now I want to start to part two. No, part one. Part one is last. Okay. Now in part two, configure Ether channel. Okay. This is in switch one. Configure Ether channel. Enable configuration terminal interface range and channel group. This is channel protocol channel LCP because mode active. Okay, one mode active and exit. And on switch to again configure data channel same interface range was Ethernet 0/1 to channel protocol LCP channel group one mode active. Okay, and exit. And now configure VLAN 1 and configure VLAN and trunking with in switch 1 and switch 2. Okay, press S one and 2. Exit. Interface range now. Support mode trunk. Support trunk low VLAN 1 and exit. And in switch 1 same interface range first Ethernet 0/1 support mode trunk support trunk low VLAN 1 and exit. And in this in switch 1 interface range 0/4 and 5 support mode access support access VLAN 1 spanning 3 port phase. Okay, next step. Okay, next to on router on stick in core RTR1, core RTR2. Okay, enable configuration terminal. Interface F0/1 shutdown and exit. Interface zeros, and now create sub interface. Okay, encapsulation q1 and give IP address to interface VLAN. Okay, and don't forget subnet mask and exit. Okay. Now this is DHCP server in desktop IP. This IP DHCP server and the subnet mask and DNS. This IP DNS server and default gateway interface VLAN 1. Okay, and in DNS server, desktop IP configuration and right, and the subnet mask, and this is default gateway interface IP address interface VLAN, and DNS server IP this server. Same. Okay. Next, create port security in switch 1. Okay. Interface first Ethernet 0/4 port mode access with port security with port security maximum 1 port security MAC address. Alright, forget MAC address 80. This is MAC address which one? Oh, this is operation port for security violation protect and with port for security MAC address, and this is MAC address 0060 5 C 3 E 2905. Okay, and exit. And now interface FA0/5 same with port mode access with port security with port security violation restrict with port security MAC address, and this is MAC address was Ethernet 0/5 00A0 B 0A I 9608. Okay, and exit. Okay, and now in port 5, this is port 5, configure VLAN and trunking in switch 3, switch 4, and core RTR1. Now in switch 3, this is switch 3. Okay. Enable configuration terminal VLAN 2. Oh, VLAN 2. Give name VLAN 2. VLAN 3. Give name VLAN 3. And VLAN 4. give a name, VLAN 4 and VLAN 5. Give a name, VLAN 5. Oh, sorry. VLAN 4 name, VLAN 5, VLAN 5 name, VLAN 5. Right? Oh, I'm sorry. 5 9 VLAN 4 VLAN 5 9 VLAN 5. Okay. And now in switch 4 again, same in switch 3, create a VLAN 3, add VLAN 2, name VLAN 2, VLAN 3, name VLAN 3, VLAN 4, name VLAN 4, VLAN 5, name VLAN 5. Okay, and exit. And now switch for monitor. This is interface I FR interface FR 1 2. Oh, 1 2 3 1 2. Oh, 1 2. Interface run first 0/1 and 3. Switch for monitor. Switch for low VLAN 2 3 4 5 and exit. And now switch for mode access. Right. This is 6 and 7 to VLAN 2. Interface rest 0 6 and 7. Support model access, support access VLAN 2, spinning tree portfairs. Okay, and exit. And now interface range faster range 0/4 and 5. Support model access, support access VLAN 3. And don't forget to spinning tree portfairs and exit. Okay, now to call to switch for same in switch 3. Okay, this right 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Interface range faster 0 slash 3 and 4. Support mode access, support access VLAN 3, spinning 3 portfairs, and exit. And now interface range faster 0 slash 5 and 6. Support mode access, support access VLAN is VLAN 4, and spinning 3 portfairs. Okay, next is NO interface FR0 slash support mode access, support access VLAN 5, spinning 3 portfairs. Okay. And now on for RTR1. This is for RTR1. enable configuration terminal, and now interface first 0/0. This is first 0/0 interface to switch. No shutdown or turn on, and exit, and now create interface or sub interface. Give encapsulation the 1Q2, give IP address, and Y. Okay, and this, and now interface sub interface to VLAN 3 encapsulation that 1Q3, give IP address, and don't forget for subnet mask. Okay, and exit. Now interface alternate 0/4 encapsulation that Q4 IP address, and while subnet mask, and exit. Now interface alternate 0, and this interface VLAN 5 calculation that Q5 IP address. Okay, and exit. And now create IP DHCP include address. This is punctuation. Uh, this is VLAN 2, VLAN 3, VLAN 4, VLAN 5. Okay. And create IP DHCP pool. This is to client. IP DHCP pool VLAN 2. And network. This is network VLAN 2. For subnet mask. And default router, this is default gateway VLAN 2, and then server, sys IP DNS connected, and now IP DHCP pool VLAN 3 network, this is network VLAN 3, and subnet mask, and default router, and DNS. Okay, next it. And now IPDHCP pool VLAN 4, same network VLAN 4, and subnet default gateway, and then a server. And next it, and now last DHCP pool VLAN 5, network VLAN 5, default router, and then a server. Sys IP DNS. Okay. Now configuration to this is home router PT. Okay. Waiting. Okay. To config to wireless, and this SSID guna course Wi-Fi, and WPA, and this password 1234567H. Okay. And now, waiting. Hmm. Oh yeah, this is spelling three model rabbit, and this again spelling three model rabbit. Okay, and now to y to part h and 9. This is creativity and activity rotates in suite 5. This is suite 5, suite 6, and suite 7. Okay, and this and suite 5. Enable configuration terminal, VLAN 6, name, VLAN 6, VLAN 7, name VLAN 7, and VLAN H, name VLAN H, and exit. And create VTP model server, VTP domain guna guna course and VTP password 123. And this is uh, set set road bridge VLAN 6 from primary. Spending three model rapid previously. Okay, now in router 6 and 7, enable configuration terminal, HTTP model client, HTTP domain Aguna course, HTTP password 123. Spending three model rapid previously. Okay, and switch 6, spending three, VLAN 7, root primary, H, root primary, and switch 7, enable configuration terminal, VTP model client, VTP domain, Agna course, VTP password 123, and spending three model repeat, spending three VLAN is root primary, and exit. And now to core FTR2. This is core FTR2. Retro-transic, and HFR relay. Enable configuration terminal. Interface FR0/0. No shutdown, and exit. And now correct subinterface 0/0 6 encapsulation .1q6 IP address Okay, and IP helper address. Okay, and exit. Now interface, create an interface, VLAN 7, encapsulation, .enqueue 7, IP address, IP helper, and exit. And now interface, fasternet 0/0, VLAN H, encapsulation, .enqueue H, IP address, and sub interface, and subnet mask, and IP helper. Okay, and exit. And now create VLAN 9 and VLAN 10 in switch H. This is switch H. Enable configuration terminal, VLAN H, 9, VLAN H, VLAN 10, name, VLAN 10, and exit. This is 1, 2. I think this is back. Interface, range, right, interface range, fasternet 0/3 to H. Entry purpose and exit. No, I think this is like okay. Surface range fasternet 0/3 and 5. Support mode access, port access, VLAN 9, and exit. And now interface fasternet 0 first range 0, 6, and 8. Support mode access, support after VLAN 10. Okay. And now in this code RTR4, enable configuration terminal. Wait. 0/1. Turn on first range 0/1. No shutdown and exit and create sub Ethernet. Encapsulation.1Q6 and IP address. And this subnet mask. Okay. And exit and interface VLAN or create sub interface to VLAN type. Solution.1Q10 IP address. And exit. Okay, and now in code RTR1, wait, or SA1, code SA1, enable configuration terminal, API routing, VLAN name, and VLAN 10, and exit, and interface VLAN 10, IP address 2, and subnet mask, and exit, interface VLAN 10, IP address 2, and exit. Okay, and now create VTB and SPI in core switch 2. This is core switch 2. VTP server and HTTP server. Enable configuration terminal, VTP model server, VTP domain, guna calls, VTP password 123. Okay, now create VLAN and give a name and search again, give name and create VLAN, give a name and exit. And now interface VLAN, create interface VLAN, the IP address and subnet mask and exit. First VLAN, IP address and exit and interface VLAN, IP address and exit. And now create IP DHCP pool VLAN DS and DS. Create IP DHCP pool network and subnet mask and default router or default gateway and then the server and exit. And now IP DHCP pool VLAN network default and then S and exit. And now IP DHCP pool VLAN 13 network and subnet mask default router or default gateway and then S. Okay, and exit. And now on switch 9, switch 9, enable configuration terminal, VTP modem client, VTP domain guna course, VTP password 123, and switch 10 gain same to before. Enable configuration terminal, VTP modem client, VTP domain guna course, and VTP password 123 and exit. And this is again set the before. Enable configuration terminal, VTP modem client, VTP domain guna course, VTP password 123 and exit. Okay, and now alright, to quarter one, this is going to point addressing. This is quarter one. Enable configuration terminal. Turn on this interface. Interface serial IP address 10.10.10.1 and subnet mask. This is class or prefix 1330. No shutdown. And this again. Exit interface serial 1/1 IP address 10.10.10 and the subnet mask same /30 and no shutter. Okay, and now in this turn on again interface serial IP address 2 and subnet mask no shutdown and exit and the interface serial IP address 10.10.10.5 and override subnet mask no shutdown. And this is again enable configuration and interface serial 1 IP address 10.10.6 on shutdown and exit. Interface serial 0 serial 1/0 IP address shutdown and scan. Interface serial 1/1 IP address 10.10.10.10 and write subject mask and not shutdown and this again interface 1/0 IP address and 10.10.30 and write subject mask no shutdown and this again student 0 exit interface 0/0 okay and now create layer 3 ether channel icon switch 1 this is switch 1 mm, CD run and interface rest f0/3 and 4 mm, switch port now channel group 1 mode desirable and exit and now interface for channel 1 no switch port right. I think maybe address and write submit mask and exit and this again and go on switch to CDP run and right one 1 2 3 1 2 3 Wait. Oh, yes. Surface rent piston at 0/2 and 3 report channel group one more desirable exit non-surface for channel 1 IP address and URL subnetmask and exit. Okay, and now create a dynamic routing OSPF multi-area R4, router R1, R2, R3, R4, and switch 1, switch 2. Okay. Hmm. Distributor OSPF. Wait. Configure OSPF. Okay. Set router OSPF1 network VLAN 2 area 0 VLAN 3 VLAN 4 VLAN 5 and network 10 0 and it's area 1. Okay. And now, and this gain exit router OSPF1 network. This is network VLAN 1 area backbone. This is this VLAN 6, VLAN 6, VLAN 7, VLAN 8. Okay, and this 10, and okay, and exit. And in core R33, exit router OSPF1 network 3 area 0 Republic 1 and this area 1 to 9. Okay, next in core RTR core exit router OSPF1 network 3 area 1 and this again 8 area 1 and this and what this again VLAN 9 and VLAN 10. Then in core RTR I core SP1 network and this in VLAN 9 and VLAN 10. This advertised network. Okay, and this gain last in core as switch to I'm exit. Okay. You know, I think we have survey redundancy to corner therefore and corner therefore. Waiting. I'm forget. Corner there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And put villain. Untuk 8 1. Core RTR2. Core RTR2. Surface. Okay. And now this IP address for RTR2. Address core RTR2. Give IP address and accept. Okay, show to Assigment. Okay, this core RTR for interface. Okay, now Now core RTL4 access group, and now create SRP exit surface FA 0/09. This is IP sub interface standby. This is HRP guys, and gateway. And standby one priority, standby one prep. Exit interface sub interface Latin standby to IP. Okay. Now to core as switch one. This is core switch one. And exit surface VLAN 9 standby one IP and exit interface VLAN 10 standby to IP standby to priority standby to prem. Okay, and now NTP, create NTP. What? NTP. NTP, oh, yes, NTP. Surprise, NTP, level 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hmm. This NTP configuration to all devices. Enable configuration terminal. NTP out. Wait. Hmm. NTP out. Oh, wait. But now, NTP configuration. This then server. Okay. Okay. NTP authentication, every device. Okay, free device, yes. Okay, okay. Now to switch sticks. Enable configuration terminal, pass, and switch 7. Enable configuration terminal, pass. This is NTP authentication. In core R3, pass, exit, pass. In this, enable configuration terminal, pass again. This again, switch 4. Enable configuration terminal. Okay, and this in core switch 1, paste, core switch 2, paste again, NTP authentication, and yes, switch, paste, and yes, switch 9, 10, and 12, and switch 10 again, same to before device, NTP authentication. Oh, sorry, enable configuration terminal, and this enable configuration terminal, pass, and exit. Okay, and now DNS to DNS server. This is web server, guys. It's a DNS server. In DNS server to service DNS on and name guna calls com type article and this is give IP and now type cname name wait activity NTP DNS this DNS cname www guna course. Web 1 guna course. Alright, guna course. Guna course. Name guna course com. Guna course com. File is like okay, and this she name again. Guna course com. Web 2, Web 3. Record. Then guna course 2 is route IP at web 3 3 at and web 4 to web server 4 and give IP or write IP at is my Laguna course and write IP and okay. And now exit and configure web server is web server 1 server 1 is IP web server 1 service index. Welcome to web. Welcome to web 1 guna course com. Save. Yes. and exit this surface index and Cisco packet tracer web to guna guna course.com is big and safe. Yes, and this again surface index remove web 3 guna course.com save as and exit and this again web server for surface index. This is Cisco packet tracer remove web for guna course.com. Yes. Okay. And now desktop IP configuration. Alright. Exit. And this and mail server. Service email. Domain name guna course.com. User 1 1 2 3. User 2 1 2 3. Okay. Alright. Activity. No. Email in server. Alright. Guna course record. Then next. Mail guna course. Right. Forget. Maybe is bug. Switch file. Switch file for mode. Oh yeah. I switch file. Interface runs for mode trunk. Support trunk allow pilihan exit. Okay. Activity switch 6. Why? Switch 6. This is switch 6. Request run FR 0 slash support model trunk. Support trunk allow pilihan exit. Why? Why? Request run customer 0. Port mode access. Report access pilihan 6. Pairing 3 port face. Exit. Interface run customer 0 slash 4, 5 and 6 support mode access support access pilihan 7 spanning 3 port face. Interface runs customer 0 slash 10 and 7 10 report mode access report access pilihan 8 spanning 3 port face. Exit. And this again. Terkait saran Festival 0/1 report Madetra report terang bilang exit terkait saran Festival 0/3 and 6 report model access report access bilang spending 3 port face exit terkait saran Festival 0 port mode access report access VLAN 7 span 3 perfect exit interface and standard 0/9 10 support mode access Support access VLAN 10. Spanning tree port fast. Exit. Okay. Switch. Switch. H. Tujuh. Sembilan. Nine. Oh. Surface between 069. Port mode access with port access VLAN ending 3 port fast. Okay. And is switch 2. Oh, and that the server. To web server, give web server a desktop. See web server 1. Stop IP configuration is 5 and default gateway and is then server. Exit. And web server 2 configuration 3 okay and is then server. Okay. Now web server 3 give IP and default gateway. Okay. And last web server 1 configuration and IP DNS. Okay. Okay, this is to PC10. This is PC10 in VLAN H, to desktop, to email. This is your name, user1, and email address user1 guna course.com. Okay, ini mail info mail guna course. And this user1 and password. Okay, save. And in PC 920, this laptop email user2 guna course.com, mail guna this user2 123. Okay. Guys, in last, I want to give a name and enable secret system. Okay. Now last configuration, give a name. The configuration success or finish. Enable secret Cisco. Enable give a host name and enable secret Cisco every device. Router router, switch, and core. Switch 3. Enable configuration terminal. Switch 3. Cisco. Enable configuration terminal. Switch 4. Enable secret Cisco. Okay. Yes. Switch 5. The first name switch 5. Enable secret Cisco. And switch 6. Enable configuration terminal. Configuration terminal. Switch 6. Enable secret Cisco. Configuration terminal. Switch 7. Enable secret Cisco. And switch H. Enable secret Cisco. And yes. Switch 9. Enable secret Cisco. Switch 10. Switch 10. Enable secret Cisco. And this again. Switch. Enable secret Cisco. Okay. Oh, I forget give access list. Give access list. Right, I forget this. Give access list in core RT4. Enable configuration terminal. Access list extended. Okay. Deny IP. Please deny VLAN 5. Right. This again and this. Okay. And permit IP any except interface 0/IP access group out. Okay. And this again same. Enable configuration IP access list extended. Deny IP host permit IP any exit. Okay guys, and this host name, give a host name for switch one, neighbor secret Cisco. Okay, this again, neighbor or switch two, neighbor secret Cisco. And this switch core LTR for neighbor secret Cisco. And this core LTR2 enable secret Cisco. This name core LTR1 enable secret Cisco. And this last configuration core LTR3 enable secret Cisco. Okay guys, after we give a name for device, and now okay, this is access smartphone, and now to segment. This is show incorrect. This incorrect ACL. We before that before tadi kita ACL and this is bug guys, this is bug. Okay, this is bug ACL. Okay, maybe that's all for me. This tutorial super lab. Thank you for attention and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.